Come here, right hand side. That would have gone a long way to actually enhance the teaching of CBC. There is a lot of money. Money goes to the counties that we can afford as a Senate. The only challenge that this institution is having is the fact that Treasury delays in dispersing the funds that should be used to develop materials. As I'm speaking right now, standard grade 6. Grade 5 is transiting to grade 6 in May. And just very few months and money to prepare materials have not been dispersed.
As an institute, we have followed the international curriculum development cycle, which is what guides all curriculum development processes all over the world.
Of course, there has been the issue of teacher retraining and all that. It is very good. Teachers should be retrained. And remember, so I'm just saying, and I'm insisting that the retraining program is very important. But the government must provide money for teachers to be retrained. It cannot be an issue of teachers paying 100%.